It's going to be a beautiful day here on Boca Grande. The sun's coming up. I've got a bucket full of shrimp. I didn't even check the forecast. I just loaded up the Jeep, the kayak, myself, and it's on, guys. Stay with me. I threw the net, caught some bait, game on. This guy's coming to get all the stragglers that I might have left down there. Freaking Democrat, looking for a handout. I've caught a couple short snapper and this little short sheephead so far, but nothing really to show you guys. I have got a nice redfish on. I mean, a nice one. This is a really nice fish. Best fish I've hooked up to in a while. I don't have the biggest hook, so I've loosened my drag up. He's taken me on several rides already. Beautiful fish. These things are tanks. That hook will hold. I got a decent chance of catching him because he's out away from the pylons. He ate a shrimp. Man, these are strong fish though. The red drum, aka the redfish. Here he comes. Oh gosh. Run again. Hope that hook holds up. I thought I was gonna have him in the boat by now. I quit recording, but he is not done yet. This is a stout fish. I just hope he doesn't get tangled up in my anchor line. Don't go that way. Damn, this is a freaking one-arm workout right here. I gotta put the phone down, see if I can get him in the boat. Beautiful fish, look at that. Stud redfish. 29 inches. Right at 30. Now he's a 30-inch fish. If I squeeze his tail, I can make 30 out of him. Unfortunately, he's over slot, and they're not using anyway. But boy, is that a nice fish, huh? That's a nice one there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. A beautiful redfish. I mean, a stud red. There she goes. That was freaking awesome. Hell yeah. Finally due for a big fish. I mean, actually I was overdue, but finally hooked up and got him in the boat. That was awesome. Little baby gag grouper to add to the day's catch. Grouper nuggets. Another fish I can't keep. Gag grouper. I've been catching a bunch of these little short mangrove snapper. They're like 9.5 inches, just shy of being legal. So I don't know, today's the day where I've caught big fish and a lot of little fish, but still no keeper fish. Full day out here. That's the Boca Grande Causeway. That's the Boca Grande Sandbar, or the Boca Grande Bar as I call it. I saw a Boca Grande earlier, aka a manatee. Had some dolphins coming around. And now I got this little snap, a little whipper, a whippersnapper, if you know what I mean. This little guy makes 10 inches on the dot, but I'm not going to keep one 10-inch fish. My anchor's holding pretty good. We've got a real heavy current right now, so I'm just anchored up. Got the bow anchor out, stern anchor out. About to throw another bait out, no doubt about, so check it out. Throwing the old pinfish bottom rig at him. Here we go. Perfect. The the one-arm Willie. Got these little tiny ones all up in here. A little snap snap. Hey, thanks for making the picture, huh? What do you have to say for yourself? Hello? Huh? You don't want to be a little snap snap? There you go. Give us a snap, would you, snapper? All right. Thank you for your job there. You did a wonderful one.
Is this a legal snapper? What do you have to say? For snap snap? Is that legal? No?
Finally got one I'm going to keep. He's about 12. And I mean, I just barely got him in the nose. You see that? Just barely. I hope I get a few more now. Luckily, my anchor's holding very well. I dare say that. Love this drift. I'm going to stay right here. I'm getting bit every time. Not a huge fish, but a keeper. You guys want to see something awesome? Watch this. That was a bad throw. Oh man. That dolphin's bigger than my kayak. Pretty cool. Got another little snapper here. Check this out. Sometimes I'll throw them up in the air when they catch them. I think he got that one. Guess who's back? That's freaking cool. Here's my boat. Here's a freaking bottlenose dolphin. Not sure. Okay, we got two manta rays right here. I'm standing up in the kayak right now. I saw these dark things coming. It's a pair of manta rays. It looks like a school of mullet behind them. Too bad it's not a cobia. There's a dolphin. And here's me. Here we go again. I hope he'll. Sometimes I'll throw him right out of the water. Play with it. How cool is that? Wow, there's the show for you. How cool is that? Wow, there's the show for you. That was awesome. Freaking cool, man. Here he comes. That is cool, guys. I've been catching lots of little short snapper, a couple sheephead. I had one keeper that broke off right there, but yeah, now I'm feeding. Got another one. He knows it too. That's freaking awesome, man. When I was a kid, I used to love watching that show Flipper. I was the big brother. My little brother was the little brother. And I guess I'm living my best Flipper life right about now, because I'm out here feeding Flipper. Well, he can't have a split tail. Check this out. I got two of them here now. Let's see if the baby can get it. I don't know. That fish may have escaped. Both of those dolphins are circling now. I don't know if it's a baby or if it's a female. How cool is this, huh? I'm gonna stand up again. It's awesome. Yeah, super cool, man. Yeah, get you some of that. Come out here to Boca Grande and feed a freaking dolphin. Check that out, man. You're probably not allowed to so I'm not feeding dolphin. I'm just letting fish go, and they happen to get them and eat them. So yeah, he's still got that fish. They're over there playing around with it. Not supposed. Got a manatee right here. See if I can get over there to him. There is a Boca Grande. There he goes. How cool is that guy, huh? Oh, young one. A Boca Grande. Here's another species for the day. That was the red grouper. And I think that red grouper just did a little slice on my white hand. This one's the gag grouper. Hello. Straight to the bottom. I've caught fish all day, but unfortunately I haven't caught anything I can keep except for that one damn snapper. It's another gag grouper. I would totally eat this fish. Yeah, he's small, but he tastes good. But gotta be 24 inches. Little red grouper. Ain't that super? A super duper red grouper. Grouper nuggets. Well, here's a cool fish I don't catch all the time. This is called a lookdown. Appropriately named. I'll show you a side picture of him here in a minute, but that's a lookdown. Beautiful fish. They call him a lookdown because it looks like he's looking straight down. He is super duper skinny. He's making a little bit of grunting noise for you. But a beautiful fish, indeed. Well, thanks for sharing. All right, on that note, go ahead and look down, a little look down. Look downs. That's gonna do it for me today. Caught that big redfish, caught a ton of other fish. Nothing I could keep today, but great day on the water. Up against a little sandbar right now. Taking a break, gearing up to go that way. Hope you guys liked my video. Thanks for watching.